Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified course, lesson number 5. I have shortened the Madinah Arabic books with examples from the Quran so that you learn Quranic Arabic quickly and you begin to understand Quran. I have made the lessons only about 10 minutes long to make Arabic learning easy for you. Please join this Quranic grammar course for 2 or 3 short videos per week. I will try to post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, InshaAllah. So please do look out for these videos. I am Afifa, and today's short lesson number 5 will cover dual pronouns. Let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just a quick reminder that in our previous lessons, we already studied the detached singular pronoun, which are huwa, hiya, anta, anti, and ana. Another reminder that you should please watch the previous lessons on the detached plural pronouns that we covered in detail. They are antunna, antum, nahnu, hum, and hunna. So far, I've covered with you singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Arabic also has the concept of duals, which means you're referring to two in the group. So the dual of huwa and hiya is huma. So huma is used if you're referring to, let's say, two men in the room, or if you're referring to two women in the room. So before we go through some examples, I just want you to know this term, haza, which means this. So we will study haza in the future as a demonstrative pronoun, but for now, just try to remember the meaning. Haza means this, and hadihi means this, used for when referring to females. And hadane is the dual form. Okay, so if you're referring to this, but you're referring to two, so that would be these in English. Okay, so how do you say, who are these two boys? In Arabic, you would say, man hadhanil waladane. So, man means who, hadhane, and then al waladan, which means two boys. So, if you want to say there are two new students, you would say huma talibane jadidane. So, talibane is referring to two students, and jadidane means new. So, how do you say where are the two sisters? So, in Arabic, for one sister, you say ukht. So, now we are talking about two sisters. Ainal ukhtan. So where are the two sisters? So you answer, they are in the room. Huma, they are fil gurfati. So fi means in and gurfa is room. So huma fil gurfati. They are in the room. Here's a nice summary chart to cover the detached pronouns that we have been studying. In Arabic, we say damirun munfasilun. So first, let's complete our discussion on duals. We studied huma, which we said is they, and we said it applies for both masculine and feminine. Okay, and now let's talk about duals for representing you, which is the two. So you would say antuma, antuma. And alhamdulillah, it is common for both masculine and feminine. So you have to learn one less pronoun. Whether you're talking to two females or two males, it is still antuma. Okay, so now let's look at this summary chart altogether based on what you have studied so far. So we said ghaib means absent, and this is the third person. So you learned 5 pronoun forms, unique pronoun forms for the ghaib or for the third person. you studied huwa, huma, hum, hiya, and huma is common. So we're not going to mark that because you already studied that with the masculine. It's the same for the feminine, and hunna. So that's 5 unique pronoun forms for the third person. Now let's look at the second person. Second person, which is Arabic, we say muhatab. Okay, so we looked at anta for masculine you. We looked at antuma for dual, again common for masculine and feminine. We looked at antum for you all, masculine. We looked at anti for you, feminine. We looked at antuma, which is common to both, and antunna, which is you all for feminine. So once again, those are 5 new unique pronoun forms that you have learned. And finally, the mutakallam is the first person, which is the speaker, and pretty straightforward. There's 2 pronoun forms that you have learned, ana and nahnu. Okay, and they are common for both masculine and feminine. So this is a very important chart. Please memorize the 12 new pronoun forms that you have now studied and mastered, inshallah. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayka. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.